Can you imagine a world where there are no books, no stories, no conversations, no movies, nothing that can ever spark your imagination? Welcome to day one of my 30-day mini series on storytelling. My name is Messi and I share tips and tricks on how you can become a better storyteller. The aim of this series is to make you become a better storyteller in the next 30 days, so stick around with me. The topic for our mini series today is what is storytelling and why is it important? Storytelling is a universal language of connection. It's the way humans have shared ideas, values, and lessons for thousands of years. Someone can share a story now and someone will pick a lesson from it, another person will pick value from it, and another person will get an idea from that particular story. That is how powerful storytelling is. Storytelling is not just made for writers and filmmakers. Anybody can be a storyteller. Whether you are building your brand, whether you are pitching a business idea, whether you're promoting your business, whether you're trying to inspire your team leaders at work, storytelling is a very, very powerful tool that can be used in any of these areas. And why is it very important? Why does it matter? 3 key reasons why storytelling matters is that it builds emotional connection, it inspires action, and it creates a memorable experience for your audience. And that brings us to the end of today's mini series. Remember, we talked about what storytelling is and why it matters. So if you got value from this video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video for this series. Bye.